meghalayapost.news.
Tos isin pat nakaliang ka meghalayapost.news ka don hepo nongpo banyo banya sakhi banya don betalang bat kene ka jingalang jongki association ikali kamai bo fer jongka jela Assam bat po Meghalaya kane ka jingalang kala long ru hadin ba kala don ka jingja hap ka atru turik u naitung mentau benai hakaba dol adon kiseng balang balalik ban pesange ya kikali kamai bawana Assam dak ba keno ba kajingwan jongki kali Assam iba kamai shane po Meghalaya kala pendu jakpo yaki bubun ki association bakum juru kinonya kali kamai jongka jela Meghalaya Nrei hakane ka jingalang bala khot kerpang menta kasngi kala don ru kajing jeng stu jumut ban kin long batali nak hapadeng ki association bo fer ki badon ki kali kamai kumjuru baki nongnya kali kamai haka kumbala basutu haji keren ki jongki hangne kilara ru ya kawai ka isu bakta yaki ya ka kamai ka ji ki jongki kade namar ka jingdon jongki kali simet ki bayo man kamai klaim ka jing pej perman naki bor barin pej jong sarkar Assam bat sarkar Meghalaya ka jingdon jong ni kali kamai simet ki bakit yaki nonglet nyangwan keleng ka jela Assam man Meghalaya kalakta yaki bat hangne mentakin sasim ya kawai ka rai kumno banweng ya ka jinge kabaki kilamat khamtam kabakta ya kayo kamai kaji joki khamtam ru ke jinge jongki nongnya na po Meghalaya baki siam aki jelap jongka Assam khamtam hapo te airport tengin sayo ya ka kajing simrai ka joki kumne sai phang tengin nang yai pej ya ka meghalayapost.news publish bun
ni habay siyong lang kini meeting nangi kalyang jong Meghalaya bat Assam ke kadi hi tengah takawe hi kabangila ya rai lang namar ba kajing sutu bakla jong ki nonglet nongwan ki bawan naga barjela tam ki bana coba ka state jongi kain na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing ya Khang nagaliang jong ki seng balang ndai katu baro bangi kamton jing dei em akaliang kajing bat kadi te nagaliang jong iru long ngila pensai hiru ba nagaliang jong kum ka action ngimdon te kanu kajing ya persya ya kanu ka turis taksi ki bawan ja ka jela jongi baki nagaliang jong bang song mendaringin ya simkhia tang ha bade ba kani kaliang jong ki kali private ki balabun palat ki bawan kamai sini jela jongi laki namba plate le katu kalau long kniat kala kini ya piang ja jong kinong kamai ki ba kamai hok lagi terus taksi de sakawiru long ni nagaliang jong action long kibun kit kiseng ki bami sakmat ki ba yakun nagaliang jong sarkar ngim bedik kita kasyong haki banyakran ba ka sarkar ngi nagaliang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yesuk ngim kwa kanu kajing kanat nar baro arliang ki state kumbang julong baro si kata ngi nyai be kunta ngidon kajing Trei lang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ngi kwa ba kan nyai ke maju yai katu ki banai keren sa sarkar ai kin ya keren ba sarkar kin sutu ba sarkar ngi para driver hang ni ngi nyai be ke kam jungi banya kamai kaji be banya bahaya met lang na baro arliang state jungi ngila dan katuru ngila don kajing komplain jungi last ya ngila don komplain ya katu ngila don ru naga tim jungi kilaya operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat nagaliang jong tim jungi kilaya banya kendang gitu kali privately moh kopor te nakaliang jungi ru lada klem kajing Trei lang nakaliang jungi para driver kabu jing ba identify na department ban kino kita ki private ki bakamai ne kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang nasem ta te ngiru nakaliang jongi ka action na bro arliang ka jela menta ngila persyang banginnya Trei rengkan nginya verify iway na padengi jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba kamai be an syaku hati le ni sa shilong ya katangi ru station action halo kani kita
meeting representing the taxi operators of Meghalaya and from Assam side, and we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension, and that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay, and other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems. competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions. This is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam.
Yes.
So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry, and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, everywhere.
MeghalayaPost.news.